A routine probation hearing suddenly takes a shocking turn when the judge reveals the defendant could be facing up to 30 years in prison. With new felony allegations, a motion to revoke probation, and a tense courtroom exchange, every word matters. Watch closely to see how this high-stakes hearing unfolds.
Okay. This is one judge where we're extremely close. I was optimistic. I've talked to Ms. Moore about how we could resolve this with the deferred offer on a different charge than the charge that's in the indictment. She said she was going to take a look at it. And then I was told that today there's a deferred offer, but it's still the same charge. And there's still lawyers involved in this case where we had, I thought, an agreement. Now it looks like they don't honor the agreement after we did what we were supposed to do on our end. So
Isn't that an ethical issue?
I know,
Lawyers aren't supposed to.
I'm not worried about the civil side. We're just worried about the criminal side. So I did just relay the offer to him today on Miss Moore for deferred adjudication on the charge that he's been indicted on.
Okay.
So I'll continue to talk to her about it.
Goes on the trial.
We'll
see what happens. Anytime, we're always open for business.
Be in touch.
Yes, sir.
Justin Walker. Let's dressed up nice.
Pretty good. I didn't have a problem with the offer. Pretty good.
Are you still at 6030? All right.
She said, I'm getting food from this one.
Back to an open microphone here.
Yeah.
As you know, you're charged with second-degree felony of aggravated assault, and
Miss Moore emailed me an offer within the last couple of days, and I've conveyed that to the client this morning, and it's
No way.
offer we can accept.
all right, we're gonna
So
put it on the trial docket. That was over a year and a half old from the indictment. So we thought, Miss Jordan Smith, the victim in this case, the complainant. I don't know if you know him or not, but you can't have any contact with that person. You know that, don't you? Okay. Don't you know that? That's one that happens too often up here. All right, you're resetting the on the trial. Bruce, Kendall Andrews. You okay there?
Yes.
This. You sure? You sound like you're getting worse about that. All right, we have.
Sure.
Where's Kendall?
He's
in the back. What are we doing with that? What are we gonna do?
Next ready for a hearing. We having a hearing?
What are we doing with that?
This just
Says-
No, it's a hearing. I have my officer here.
I was told, I was told this.
It says LTRP hearing.
My officer.
It's all, like I said, it was in the PRP documents.
Your, it's a hearing unless it's some special, and it just says NTRP. All right, are you Kendall? Is it Dawan? Dawan Andrews is your last name. Okay, there's a motion to revoke probation that's been filed as of October 30th of last year, and which alleges that you are on probation for a third-degree felony, and that you allegedly committed 6 violations on your probation, including number 1, committing indecency with a child by contact. And that is not only in that motion, but that's a new indictment that's been handed up as of September of last year, as you know, a second-degree felony of indecency, which carries with it up to 20 years in prison. This is a deferred probation, a third-degree felony, so you're looking at up to 10 years in prison in that deferred or unadjudicated probation case. So together, you got a combined amount of 30 years at stake, 30 years in prison between the motion to revoke probation and what is happening here on the indictment. All right. If there's nothing going further, then we're just going to have a hearing on the motion to revoke probation. When can y'all be ready?
I'm ready.
Well, I ran a couple of weeks ago.
Okay, 2 weeks. Let's go.
One last thing. Back in January, we filed a motion to reduce the bond, and you set it at 500,000. We just wanted to re-urge those motions, see if you would do anything with the.
Not this time. No, we're moving forward. 2 weeks. Hearing. Thank you. Let's handle.
What do you think the judge should have done in this case? Share your opinion in the comments below. We read every one. If you enjoy real courtroom moments, judge reactions, and high-stakes legal cases explained, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next courtroom story.